Hi, today I will be showing you how to download Roblox on PC laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So let's start. First, there are two methods here that I'm going to show you on how to download and install Roblox to your device. First, you can go to any web browser and then type Roblox or download Roblox. Tap the very first link that you can see here. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can tap on download Windows application, or you can also download this to whatever device that you have. For example, Google Play Store, PlayStation, Xbox, and so on. Now you should see the download option above, and it's now starting to download. What you're going to do is you just have to simply double tap this one, or you can go to your download folder, right click, and then tap run as administrator. This time you just have to double tap this one right here. Then I should see that it is now starting to install. So wait for a couple of seconds. Sometimes it depends on your internet connection. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You just have to wait. And then after that, it will just appear right away. So it will appear automatically. If you have signed in, then it will be signed in automatically too. If you don't have, then you need to create an account. The second method is you just have to go to your Microsoft Store. And then here, go to the search bar or search icon and then search for Roblox here. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the install button or get button. So tap on Roblox and then install, tap on the install button right here. Now wait for a couple of seconds again as it is installing. It depends on your internet connection. Once done, click play. And then here, if you haven't created an account yet, you need to create an account. So it needs the following information for you to create a Roblox account. But if you have your account already, then all you have to do is to tap sign in and then enter your email address and password, and that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to download Roblox on PC or laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.